If you are looking to convert your lease agreements in bulk or individually from a contract format like PDF or Word into structured data that can be used in spreadsheets or by agents like Excel, comma-separated values, or JSON, then Contracko has a great solution for you. To get started, go to our website and sign up for a free trial for which you don't need a credit card. I will just go to our demo environment to demo this for you and log into my account. So Contracko does contract management, but also contract parsing, and you can use these separately from one another. As you go to the parser tab, you'll be able to do these conversions. Allow me to demonstrate. So I've created for us a bunch of lease agreements, commercial leases. So these are by the fictional Meridian Wellness Group, who are renting property. We'll just take two of these PDFs and upload them here. And you'll see immediately our system supports PDF, docx, txt, or even contract images. These are the files we uploaded, and you can pick your output format of choice. So it could be Excel or comma-separated values. And these can then later be ingested into your spreadsheeting software, be it Google Sheets, Excel, Notion, Airtable, etc. You can also select, optionally, a contract type. These are data structures that can have custom fields for things that you want to extract out of contracts you deal with a lot. Modifying this currently is a contract management feature, and we are working on adding this to the parser individually in case you don't want contract management. I will show you how it works, however. So as we go to types, you'll see here I have many contract types, and I already have one for the commercial lease. It's a commercial property lease, and the custom fields are the address. It has monthly rent in the currency value, a security deposit, also in a currency value, and the square footage, for which we only want positive numbers. Let's say you're starting from scratch, you would add a type, go to templates, and in this case we would look for lease, and you would see here a commercial lease with some preset custom fields for you. So now if we go back to the parser, we're going to run this parsing job. So we'll take these two, we're going to go here to the type, we'll select lease, commercial lease, and we're going to run this. You'll see it takes about 2 credits as the estimate. And as you start your trial, you're going to get 20 of these credits for free. That's enough to try 10, 15 contracts and for you to experience how this works. Now it turns out we had run this batch before, and so this immediately finished. It's the same 2 files here. And that allows me to show you immediately what the result is. So per file, you will get a JSON of the actual extraction. You can copy this and give it to your agent, for example, if you're using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. And you'll see too that here it has extracted some of those custom fields like monthly rent that came along with the lease contract type. Now I'll download the export. We're going to open this in Microsoft Excel. I'm just going to zoom for you, and you'll see, okay, so we have nice rows per contract with the type, title, start dates, end dates, who has signed it. It has renewal periods, notice periods, and I'm just going to go to the end to show you those custom fields, so like square footage it got, security deposit, monthly rent, and so forth. So you can get this in Excel, CSV, and JSON. For JSON, individually you could copy it from these previews, but if you want to do batch processing and get JSON responses, you can use our parsing API. We have an open API spec, and I'm just going to show you. For example, after you create an API, you could upload files, then you can queue a parsing job, and then you can retrieve the results. So per item, if you look over here, this is just an exemplary response. You're going to get the output per contract with all the extracted data. So this is great if you're wanting to build this into an application or to use it with your agent. Let's say you're doing Claude Cowork or you're using ChatGPT or Codex. So to get started with that, you can go to your account settings, go to integrations, and generate a parsing API key here. And then the trial gives you free credits, so you could do parsing in the web UI. And if you want to do real batch parsing, you can get a separate parsing plan, which is distinct from contract management. And then you could use it in our interface, but also programmatically. Great. So hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions on how to improve this. I hope it works for you.